we are in Los Tacos. So good.
Smells good. Okay, I'm just gonna eat it like all one and go now.
Good music too.
Los Tacos, one of the best taco places in all of New York City, right in the heart of Times Square.
There's 2 locations. Actually, this is a brand new location, and the first one started in 2013 in Chelsea Market. That's where I went and loved it and fell in love. So glad to be back here in their second location, newer location in Times Square, with more space to eat your tacos. All good.
Can't get better than this.
Let's dig in.
Yeah. And now the cool thing I like about this place is that they have real good corn tortillas.
Gotta get the corn tortillas. They ask if you want corn or flour. The answer is always corn, obviously. More traditional.
And then of course we have horchata, which is a great rice milk drink, and tamarindo, which is tamarind. Very good fruit.
I love it. This is my first time trying, so I have to try these drinks. Usually I get a Mexican Coke, which is so good and extra sugary, but I'm glad that we're trying the traditional drink so I can like branch out. It's necessary. Say it again.
Horchata.
Horchata. Horchata. This
Extra emphasis on the T.
This is my first time trying horchata.
There.
Horchata.
Horchata.
Horchata. Does it sound Italian enough?
Horchata.
Horchata. Horchata. One of those has to be right.
December drinking horchata, I'd look psychotic in a balaclava.
And let's go. Let's try this. My first horchata. Ooh. It's light. It's like a little bit milky. It's got a little bit of a, what is that like texture to it? It's different.
It's rice.
It's rice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's rice.
It's rice
of
and
course.
cinnamon. And,
cinnamon. I think I taste the cinnamon.
And various other spices.
Ooh. It's really good. There's a great extra flavor to it. It's very like light, but love this horchata.
We got some pico de gallo, which is tomatoes, cilantro, and some onions. And then we got our super spicy stuff. We have our green sauce, which looks almost black as night. The darker it is, the more spicy it is. And of course we have this, which if you don't like spicy, eat it complete. You know, just swallow it whole. No, don't do that. You will be burning the mouth. And then we have the radish. Radish is good to add a little refreshing spin on your tacos.
So good.
I think the best part about Los Tacos is their homemade corn tortillas. Now, corn has been the stuff of the gods in Aztec and Mayan culture. They believed that corn was so important that they were made out of corn, and they prayed to the god Quetzalcoatl in order to get more corn into their lives. And that's where they started farming the little taucinte plant. It doesn't look anything like corn, but it took over 1,000 years of cultivating that plant in order to get the corn husks we know today. Now, where did we get a pastor meat? Well, that comes from the Arab immigrants that immigrated to Mexico in the 1800s, and they brought over shawarma. And shawarma actually ended up becoming a hit in Mexico. So they started making skewered pork, adding a little bit of pineapple, and there we go. We have tacos al pastor.
I'm done with The Travel Admin.
I'm Ariel with Urbanist.
And we have 3 more recommendations for tacos here in New York City before we close this video.
You can go to Dos Toros, which is all around the city. Amazing tacos, especially their quesadillas. The little taco shop in the West Village has amazing burritos. And you can go to Tacos Morelos, which is a food truck right outside Bedford Avenue in Williamsburg.
I love Williamsburg, not biased. So please remember to subscribe, and as always, say yes to new adventures.
Keep being awesome and always keep on exploring.
Bye.